how are you today? My name is Carla. I'm an adult doll collector, and you are in my hangout. And today we are in Penny's Diner. Because I've missed the place. You know, it's it's cute. And I made it to use it. And today we are going to take a look at some of the mini brands, mini minis, fill the fridge, and create exclusive minis included. And the reason I want to use Penny's Diner is because Penny's Diner is kind of retro, and this refrigerator is giving me kind of a retro vibe as well. So let's get into it and see what's all there, because I think I'd like to be able to fill up a refrigerator, right? So this says it has LED UV light, I guess, has 0 mini brands, mini minis, exclusive 5 minis, only at Target? Maybe that's where I found this. It says the fridge really lights up, fridge drawers really open, and decorate with real fridge magnets. And on the back, we have kind of what it's going to look like, what it includes. And I guess they're going to start to have more stuff for this kitchen as well, which is cool, because if they all scale with this, I mean, it's kind of 1/6 scale. And oh, and here's a UPC in case you decide that you would like to do this. So, well, I guess we open it this way. Does it already have a light in there? Let's see what happens if we open it up. You just pull it. Oh, and the light's already on in there. So let's pull out these bags. And here's this. So the light's already on. Oh, that's cool. Right. I'm going to turn it off for now, though, because I don't want it to, run out. And this. Okay, it has all the little drawers in the freezer, too. Right down to check out that little knob. It's like you can set your temperature on it. All right. Okay. And here's the back. So it looks like it has all the coils and everything. Okay. Well, all right. I guess it's time to. So here's this. And I think this just tells you what the parts are and where they go, right? But yeah. So it tells you how to put it together. That's handy. Then we have our little collector's guide. So mini brands, mini minis, minis. Okay, fill the fridge. So this is how the fridge can look when it's all filled up. Even individual eggs. Are you kidding me? And of course, ice cubes. Have your LED light. Turns off when the door closes. Oh my God. And then you also have a UV light. Switch interrupter turns off after 30 minutes. Okay. Also, you can set your stuff in here. And includes these things. Okay. And then create a whole magic kitchen. And it looks like in here we can make a Jello mold. All right. Well, first of all, let's open up some of this stuff and see what we have. So I'm going to open up this biggest package. I found 4 packages inside. This is future me, like after I've made everything else. Letting you know that if you do taking the time to like a video really helps the algorithm. And so if you like what I'm making and you want to see more of it, just go ahead and hit that like, right? It's in here somewhere, I think, right? It's a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that. It helps me out a lot. Okay, now on with the video. Let's get this big one opened up. And this looks like it has all the pieces, to go into your refrigerator. All right, so here's all like the shelves and the things that go somewhere. Sorry. Very technical terms, right? Okay, let's see what's in here. In here, oh, we have like an ice scoop. Handy. And, oh, our first refrigerator magnet. Now, I'm not much of a refrigerator magnet person, so I'm not overexcited, but that's okay. And then we have Olipop. Okay, so we have this. Oh, okay, so here's to make your Jello mold. Okay. Here is the Jello mold. Oh, it's a plate and some tongs. Oops. Oh, okay, more, there are beverages and things. So let's pull them all out and take a closer look. What we have. Okay, so we have Pizza Hut. And when you open it up, oh, okay, you got a pizza with a slice missing. Hey, which one of you girls? Bet the one sitting out there that probably stole my pizza slice. Okay, and then we have some vintage cola, another Olipop thing. All right. And Mike's Hot Honey. It's a new one for me. It's very new. I live in the middle of Maine, and right now I'm extremely conscious of living in the middle of Maine because these drinks I haven't seen. Then we have more Olipop. This. What is that? So let's put this together. So when we pull these things closer. Down here. Okay. Well, there. Got the refrigerator all set up. Yay! Oh, and there's a little button to turn the thing so. Oh. Okay. Well, you know what? Let's gonna put some of these soft drinks in here. All right. Oh. Well. Now that I've seen what's in this refrigerator, would you be surprised to know that I might have picked up a few capsules? No, yeah, I didn't think you would be. So these are the capsules for Mini Brands Mini Minis. Fill the fridge. And here's the UPC code. And I found these out in the wild as well, which is nice to see. So let's open this up and see what we have now. Oh, let's see. Doesn't say 5 surprise, so I guess that means I don't know how many you get then. I don't know. I love this color though. In case you haven't figured out on some of the colors I use, I love this color. I do. It makes me happy. So just seeing this series with this color pretty much sold me ahead of time. Yeah. Don't tell them that. We don't want to make it too easy for them. Here's the first one. Get the collector's guide. So here is a collector's guide. And what all can we get for this? Okay, so we have legendary, which is, so we have legendary, which is to make those pops or that. Iconic. Okay, right. Okay, yeah, got one of those. All right. Ice cream. IHOP. I happen to really like IHOP. So I guess someone's got leftovers. And ice cream cake, yeah. and some things. You got your dozen eggs and some chicken, and then something to create, and ice cubes. Okay, ultra rare. Okay, these drinks, and some fast food. Right, you put that in your refrigerator to keep it from. You put that in your refrigerator to keep it from getting all bad, of course. And rare is side dishes and things. So rare is here. Okay. Jello, and it's on the other side. There's more. Okay, then we have common. Oh, this would be a good bachelor refrigerator with all that pizza. Or bachelorette, I guess, you know. And fridge magnets. Okay, well, all right. So we have in this, I have 6 bags this time. So let's see what's in them. Let's see, what's the yellow one mean? Well, let's see what the well, I have a couple more to open up, so be right back. that's the end of this video. It was actually a really short one, but I do thank you for joining me while we got to open up some of the new mini brand mini minis. Fill the fridge. And we did kind of fill the fridge. Not too bad. Got a whole bunch of beverages. I still don't know what that stuff is. I don't know what turmeric is. But we got a few things, and we even got a few things for the freezer. I put the lobster in the freezer because if the lobster is not alive, it probably should be frozen. I'm gonna be honest though, I've never seen a lobster like that, so I don't know if that's really a thing. But of course, I live in Maine, where we kind of get them easier access, I guess. So anyway, seems weird to me, but what do I know? So, but I do like this series. I might get a few others because filling the fridge does seem kind of fun. So, a few things they didn't put in because I mean they're not kept in the refrigerator. Like this is on the count. This is covered. A few of these things are covered stuff. Like this and things like that. So I didn't put them in the refrigerator. But still, I really like it. I like that the light comes on and off. I can goob out on that forever. And it looks neat. I do. I like it. I'm going to close it now. And we have some fridge magnets that I probably won't keep on the fridge because I'm not a fridge magnet person. Sorry. I'm boring, I guess. But I like the look of the fridge. I like the color, and it does. I think it does scale for Barbie just fine. If you wanted it to be up a little higher, you could just put it on a little, put a little thing underneath it, and there you go. You got it up a little higher. Not so difficult to do. So yeah, I think this will be a fun series. It'll be a little, add a little more realism to the dollhouse, which I think is also really pretty mint. So now, if you like this video, please hit like. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much for being a subscriber. I appreciate my subscribers. You guys are just mint. You're perfect. I just adore you. Can't say enough great things about you because you guys are fantastic. And if you'd like to be a subscriber, well, guess what? Yep, I did it. I have a subscribe button. I do. It's red. It says subscribe, and it's on this side. Generally, if you're, on like a mobile or something, you just have to tap it and now you're a subscriber. If you're watching on TV, it's a couple boops over, boop, boop, boop. I'm not sure how many boops, but one of them will, so you can subscribe. And while you're subscribing, boop over a couple more times and hit that like button. Okay, so if you like this video, like I said, please hit like. It really helps the algorithm. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you take the time to comment, I will take the time to answer. I love hearing from you guys. I really do. It makes my day. It makes me happy. All right, so definitely comment down below. Sharing is caring. This is a new thing out there, so yeah, go ahead, share it so other people can see what it's like and determine for themselves if they think they might like it. And gosh, on that note, I think we're going to put a fork in it and call this video done. So now, so no matter what time of day it is, whether it's morning, noon, or night, I do hope it's fantastic though, because yes, I know I say it, but it remains true every time. You deserve fantastic things. So now I'm out of here, so goodbye.